How to remember everything you read. Hey there, book lovers and knowledge seekers. Ever found yourself finishing a book or an article only to realize you can barely recall what you just read? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're diving into the secrets of how to remember everything you read. Grab your favorite book, a notebook, and let's unlock your memory's potential. To make reading unforgettable, we'll break this down into three main strategies: preparation, engagement, and retention. Let's start with the first one. Segment 1, preparation, setting the stage for success. Reading starts before you even crack open a book. Here are some quick prep tips to get your mind ready. Choose the right material. Pick books that genuinely interest you. When you're curious, your brain automatically engages more. Set a purpose. Ask yourself, why am I reading this? For entertainment, to learn a new skill, or to pass an exam. Your purpose shapes how your brain stores information. Create the ideal environment. Find a quiet, comfortable spot with minimal distractions. A clutter-free space equals a clutter-free mind. Once you've set the stage, it's time to dive in. But we're not reading passively. We're engaging with the material. Segment 2, engagement. Read actively, not passively. Here's where the magic happens. The key to remembering is to get involved in what you're reading. Annotate and highlight. Grab a pen or highlighter and mark key points, phrases, or quotes that stand out. Make notes in the margins if you can. Ask questions. While reading, pause to ask yourself questions. For example, what's the main argument here? Or how does this apply to my life? Summarize as you go. At the end of each chapter, jot down a quick summary. It'll help you process the information more deeply. Remember, the more senses you involve, the more your brain connects with the material. So speak the words out loud, or even teach someone else what you just learned. Segment 3, retention, make it stick. You've read and engaged with the material. Now it's time to seal it into your memory vault. Spaced repetition. Revisit your notes and summaries a day later, a week later, and then again a month later. This technique strengthens your recall over time. Connect ideas. Link new information to something you already know. For example, relate historical events to modern-day scenarios or personal experiences. Visual aids and mnemonics. Use diagrams, mind maps, or acronyms to organize and simplify complex ideas. Your brain loves visuals. Reflect and discuss. Join a book club, discuss the book with friends, or share your thoughts online. Teaching others reinforces your understanding. And there you have it, preparation, engagement, and retention. Your trifecta for mastering the art of remembering everything you read. So what's the first book you'll tackle with these strategies? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your fellow bookworms. Until next time, happy reading and happy remembering.